I did something really stupid while I was doing this. Finally got the shop cleared out enough so I can get the trailer back in. Now, I have made a few changes around here. I don't know if you remember it, but it has opened up. A couple things need to happen on this trailer before I get it started. One, I do need to finish the center, but I can use the trailer as is even without that. A couple things I do need to use the trailer though. One, I need a jack. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to find out if this electric jack is worth it. 7,500 pound unit. Most of the electric jacks I saw were much less than that. I think most of them are 3,500. I'll put a link in the description of what jack this is. And I've got it upside down, of course. Well, for the most part, everything's there. Manual jack. And there it is. Here's my electric jack. KYX. Electric trailer. With a light on the front of it. Up, down. Light on and off. 12-volt jack. I'll tell you, there was a time I would tell you you were crazy to bother with electric jack. Such a silly thing. I like it. And let's face it, I'm putting a winch on this thing too, so I'm going to have a 12-volt system there. Maybe put a small solar charger to keep everything topped off. I think that's worthwhile. But right now, guys, I got a jack to put on, so let's get to the shop. Big deal right now is I don't have this hole cut, top or bottom. Now there is a couple holes in the bottom drilled, which actually might be more problem than good, but I'm going to take my plasma and trim around this edge and see if I can get this, maybe dress it up a little bit with a die grinder and drop it down in there. Now, another problem is this hole and this hole are right up against the edge of this. I really don't want to have to trim the main beam any more than I have to. So what I'm hoping is I'll be able to move back a little bit and re-drill this hole. Let's get this cut out and ready to roll. Don't know if I'm going to need to pull that out any more or not. We'll see. Right now though, pull that. It's kind of nice too. I've got multiple steps, which I think the shortest one's my best until I'm dropping shit. Oh, I'm going to have to grind it out a little. All right. We'll get on the other side. All right. So, one thing about this jack is it did not come with any fasteners. So I'm gonna have to hunt something down. It really needs, looks like to be about a 3/8. So I need 3/8 bolt, got the nut probably a flat, and a lock washer. So give me a few minutes to see if I've got anything. If not, I'll have to grab something. I'm gonna drill these 3 holes out. I'm gonna angle this one this way and that way and try and spread it just a little bit. Guys have seen it. I know I posted a video, so haven't seen it. I believe I was mounting my fuel tank in Walter. Go check it out. There was a bit of a review for this bad boy. So guys, I'm gonna tell you, some of you are probably yelling at the screen as I put them on, but the rib nuts are not a good idea. This material is just way too thick for them to get a bite on the bottom side. Should have known better looking at the thing, looking at the design, but I was looking at total weight they'd carry. Wasn't worried about it. So we're going to go a little different route. I'm going to take the bolts hopefully from the bottom side. If I need to, I'll tack them in place, put nuts on the top, and get this thing to hold up. So now the bolts go from the bottom side. Nuts are on top with flat washers. They're welded in so that they don't fall out. The stud drops right onto it. Should be good and safe now.